Ever pondered about making money in Greece? A country known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious cuisine? If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more. Well, your curiosity could just be the ticket to your next big venture. Greece, you see, is not just a tourist magnet. It's a land brimming with unique opportunities for the entrepreneurial spirit. From the bustling streets of Athens to the idyllic islands of the Aegean, the potential for business is as vast as the Mediterranean itself. Turns out, there's a surplus of money-making opportunities waiting for you in Greece. Before diving in, it's key to understand the business environment in Greece. Getting the lay of the land is an exciting part of any venture, and Greece, with its unique blend of history and modernity, offers a vibrant business landscape. The country's economy has its strengths and weaknesses, much like any other, but the key is to see where these can work in your favor. Greece's economy is a mixed bag, characterized by a rich maritime tradition, a robust tourism sector, and an emerging tech industry. Its strategic geographic location linking Europe, Asia, and Africa makes it a bustling hub for logistics and transportation. The country's rich history and breathtaking landscapes, meanwhile, have made tourism a cornerstone of the economy. However, Greece is not without its challenges. The country has faced financial instability in the past, and while it's on the road to recovery, the journey is still ongoing. Unemployment rates are high, particularly among the youth, and bureaucracy can sometimes slow the pace of business. But where some see obstacles, others see opportunity. The country's economic woes have given rise to a thriving startup scene, as entrepreneurs rise to the challenge and innovate to fill gaps in the market. The tech industry in particular is booming, with Greek startups making waves in areas like e-commerce, digital media, and software development. And let's not forget the renewable energy sector. Blessed with abundant sunshine, Greece is perfectly positioned to capitalize on solar energy, making it a hotspot for green investment. Then there's agriculture. Greece's fertile soil and favorable climate make it a prime location for organic farming and wine production, offering great potential for entrepreneurs in the food and drink sector. In essence, the Greek economy is like a mosaic, made up of numerous sectors, each with its own unique opportunities. Whether it's the bustling tourism industry, the burgeoning tech scene, the green energy sector, or the timeless appeal of agriculture, the opportunities are as diverse as they are abundant. Knowing the lay of the land forms the bedrock for your journey to making money in Greece. Now, it's time to identify your niche. Imagine standing on a bustling street corner in Athens with people rushing by, each preoccupied with their own tasks and destinations. In the midst of this whirlwind, you stand still, contemplating the boundless opportunities around you. That's what finding your business niche feels like. It's about discovering that one thing you're passionate about and have the skills to excel in. Why is it important to find a niche that matches your interests and skills? Well, the answer is simple. It's because a business built on passion and expertise is more likely to succeed. When you love what you do, it reflects in your work, and when you're skilled at what you do, the quality of your work speaks for itself. Let's dive into some of the profitable niches in Greece. First up, tourism. Greece, with its rich history and breathtaking landscapes, is a global tourist hotspot. If you have a knack for hospitality and love interacting with people, this could be your calling. You could start a boutique travel agency, offer unique guided tours, or even run a quaint bed and breakfast. Next, food and beverage. Greek cuisine is loved worldwide. If you're a foodie or a culinary wizard, this is your chance to turn your passion into profit. Start a local taverna or a modern fusion restaurant, launch a line of organic olive oils, or open a cozy coffee shop. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about renewable energy. With over 250 days of sunshine a year, Greece is an ideal place for solar energy businesses. If you're passionate about sustainable living and have knowledge in this field, this niche could be your golden ticket. Remember, the key to a successful business is not just about identifying a profitable niche, but also finding one that resonates with who you are and what you bring to the table. Identifying your niche is the first active step towards making money in Greece. With your niche identified, the next step is setting up your business. Now, this might seem like a daunting task, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. In Greece, like in many other places, you'll need to start with a solid business plan. This isn't just a piece of paper, it's your roadmap to success. It should detail your business objectives, strategies, sales, marketing, and financial forecasts. It's essentially your business's blueprint, helping you navigate through the entrepreneurial landscape. Now let's talk about legal requirements. In Greece, you'll need to register your business. This involves choosing a business name, a process that requires a bit of creativity and a lot of originality. Remember, your business name is your brand. It's how customers will identify you in the market. Once you've got a name, you'll need to register it with the Greek Chamber of Commerce. Next, we move on to obtaining necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your business type, you might need specific permits. For instance, if you're opening a restaurant, you'll need health and safety permits. If you're starting a tour company, you'll need a tourism license. It's essential to research and understand what specific permits and licenses your business requires. Don't overlook the importance of opening a business bank account. It's crucial to keep your personal and business finances separate. This not only makes tax time less of a headache, but it also gives your business a professional image. Lastly, consider getting insurance. This might not seem necessary at the start, but it's an essential safeguard for your business. Insurance protects your business from unforeseen circumstances, helping you weather any storms that come your way. Remember, setting up a business takes time and effort, but it's worth it. With every form you fill, every license you apply for, and every plan you make, you're building the foundation for your business's success. Setting up your business properly is crucial to your money-making journey in Greece. So take your time, do your research, and make sure you're setting up your business for success. The entrepreneurial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take is a step closer to achieving your dreams. Business setup? Check. Now, it's time to market and grow your business. Marketing isn't just about selling your product or service, it's about understanding your customers, their needs, and how they perceive your brand. This is especially true when doing business in Greece, a country rich in culture and history. To thrive in the Greek market, you must first understand the Greek consumer behavior. Greeks are known for their strong family ties and loyalty to local businesses. They value authenticity and quality over anything else. So, to win them over, you must show that your business shares these values. Now let's talk about marketing strategies. The first one is networking. In Greece, personal relationships are key in business. Attend local events, join business associations, and engage with the local community. Building a strong network will help you gain trust and credibility in the Greek market. Next, we have digital marketing. With over 7 million internet users in Greece, digital marketing is a powerful tool to reach a wide audience. Social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram are particularly popular. But remember, it's not just about having an online presence, it's about creating engaging content that will resonate with your audience. Lastly, let's not forget about traditional marketing methods. While digital marketing is effective, traditional methods such as print advertising and direct mail are still relevant in Greece. This is due to the country's high newspaper readership and the trust Greeks place in traditional media. But remember, marketing doesn't stop once you've acquired a customer. You need to continue providing excellent service to retain them. After all, a happy customer is your best marketer. So there you have it. Understanding the Greek consumer, networking, leveraging digital marketing, and using traditional methods are your keys to marketing and growing your business in Greece. Marketing and growing your business is the final step to making money in Greece. Now, let's recap what we've covered in this journey to making money in Greece. We started by understanding the business landscape, a crucial step that cannot be overlooked. We discussed the importance of getting to grips with the economic environment and the culture of Greece. We touched on how the country's economic stability and consumer behavior can affect your business. Moving on, we delved into the exciting process of identifying your niche. We emphasized the significance of finding a unique business idea that resonates with you and meets the needs of the Greek market. We underscored that this step is all about aligning your passion with a profitable opportunity. Next, we navigated through the process of setting up your business. Here, we highlighted the importance of creating a solid business plan, securing the necessary permits, and establishing a strong foundation for your business. We stressed that setting up your business right from the start can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Then we explored the vast world of marketing and growing your business. We talked about the power of effective marketing strategies and the role of social media in reaching a wider audience. We also touched on the importance of continually innovating and adapting to the market's changing needs. And there you have it, the steps to making money in Greece. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it, so are you ready to take the plunge?